Crystal Bay.
All right, so we haven't been here very long at the Crystal Bay Hotel in St. Pete, and we're already getting hits on Mr. Blizzard. And this is the second time. And we're also getting hits on the K2 meter. Thank you, we can see you. Thank you so much. Both of them are lighting up the same.
What animal do we have in the room with us? Can you tell us? We have a furry friend with us. Do you know what he is?
Thank you for letting us know that you're here. Awesome. So Josh's first impression was that there's a woman in the room.
Nancy, I got listening.
She a lady?
She's a lady. She's a lady. She's an old lady.
Oh, well.
So you think she was here when it was a senior living facility?
For sure. She was the one who told me it was a senior living facility.
So Nancy, are Josh and Riley sitting in where your bed was before? If you could light up that pot for us. Yep. Okay.
Did it light up?
Our furry friend, can you tell us what his name is?
And there was a kitchen in that corner.
Thank you for lighting up Blizzard.
Tell me what kind of animal he is, or what his name is.
Blizzard got a brand new battery before we set sail today from Safety Harbor. We also have a guest here this evening. That would be Oliver Twist. Oliver's looking for... Are you looking for ghosts or treats? What are you doing? You don't know.
He goes both.
You do both.
Can you come through again?
Go get the
Tell us
ghost. Go
something
get him.
else.
They've been walking in and out, which is weird. I almost feel like they're not.
She's a lady. Whoa, whoa, whoa. She's a lady.
I feel like they're residual more so than anything. Like they're responding, but it's more of a memory of them than the actual restless person.
So these people have no idea what we're doing here.